Hello, good morning, friends. Today I'm going to explain some tips. I'm going to give some tips to overcome from the angers. Okay, we know that is anger is the poison which not only kills other, it kills the ourself also. The person who is keeping the anger, he himself inhaling the angers, keeping the angers in his body. Okay, and the same way he is also giving the angers to others also. So what my point, how to overcome from the pimple, this anger. There are some simple tricks are there are some techniques are there. With the help of that tips and technique, we can be able to overcome from the angers very easily. Okay, the best things is, okay, base things to overcome from the anger is what, that is delay the response. Delay the response. Okay, always delay the response. If someone is saying something, okay, which is not suiting you, which is not good for you, just you delay the response. And what you will find, that is so many problem you will be able to solve. You will be able to hear what the thinking of the front person. Okay, so if you are replying everything, so you will revealing something. Okay, and that will increase the conflict, and that conflict will increase the stress level, anger, tension. Everything will be increased. So what my point is, firstly, you first point is the delay the response. Okay, listen what the first person is saying, what is his opinion, where you did the mistake. First point is the delay the response. Second point, the most important point is the control your mind. How can you control? You have to control your mind, control your extra thinkings. Okay, if you are not doing creative work, if you are not busy, so how can if you are not doing anything, only anger will be there in your mind. Okay, if you are not studying, if you are not doing any work, if you are only confined to the rooms only, so definitely anger will come. But what we have to do overcome, you have to do the meditation. You have to do the, okay, simple technique of meditation, like you can do anulom vinom, okay, kapal bharti. Yeah, simple technique, simple meditation technique you can do. You can the practice the point of light, anything you can do to overcome. When you are doing meditation, your mind, body, everything will be so cool, so calm. What the front person is saying, nothing is to bother about you. What is going on outside of the room, this will not affect your mind. This will not affect your you know the stability of mind. You, whatever the happening, whatever the tension, everything happening in your mind, your life, outside of the world, if you are doing meditation, everything will be right. All right. Okay, your mind is cool, everything will be okay. Okay, and when you are third point, when you are going, when there is the conflict, there is the anger, get away from there. Get away. If there are so many person are there, talking too much, they are talking and their conflict is getting increased, get away. Get away. And if you are getting away, it means you are not listening that at all. And if you are not listening at that all, so you know the less the datas, negative datas is there in your mind, less will be response and less will be the anger. If you are not able to get out, if you are not able to get out, what you can do? Okay, if suppose situation is like that, you are not able to get out, just shut up. Okay, just keep your mouth shut, keep your mouth shut. No need to speak a single word, no is need to speak the, if someone is seeking your response, you say that I will reply after some time. This is the next point. When you are going some other point, when you are going to some other point, always imbibe your body, imbibe your mind with the positive energy. Always try to, anger is what, this is anger is something negative energy, negative vibration in your mind, negative thoughts, everything is. But what you can do, okay, so always try to increase your level, okay, body level. How can you increase positivity? By doing the exercise. Do some exercise, go outside of the room, do some exercise. And if you are doing some exercise, some positivity will come in your mind. And when you are going to next point, always practice, think before you speak, think before you speak. Okay, sometimes what we people do, we speak a lot. Okay, without thinking we speak a lot. And when we are speaking a lot, okay, knowingly or unknowingly we said that is the point which is not necessary, which is not required. Okay, if you are talking too much, okay, if you are talking too much, definitely so many things will come out. And so many things has come out means so many problem will, so many anger will come out. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to think before we speak. We need not to speak too much. If you are in the case of anger, if you are speaking, if you are talking, laughing, and not talking about some good things, it's okay. But if you are, that is also not that much okay. Sometimes we are in the flying way we say so many things that we will do this, that will also increase the your level. Okay, and when too much anger is there, just close your eyes and take deep breath. Okay, close your eyes and take deep breath. And if you are taking deep breath, some anger, some heartbeat will be the cooling down. Okay, and when it will cool down, so some sort of things, some things will be the sorted out. This is, and another things when you are saying, that is the, if you can do, start laughing, do the laughing exercise, if you are doing laughing exercise, another things what we can do, speak less. Okay, in the angers, speak less, don't take decision during the anger time. You need not to take any decision. If you are taking decision, definitely the things will be very wrong. In angry mood, you need not to take any decision. And in angry mood, you need not to take any reply, any response. And in angry mood, you need not to talk more. Okay, you have to keep silent. Okay, in the, if you are not in the mood of despair, if you are doing any things, it will increase, it will kill you. It will definitely, it will increase your stress. And at the end, what I want to say, student, at the end what I want to say, everything will be solved at the end of the day. Okay, so keep in mind, that is the, your problem will be not a permanent problem. It will be solved someday, some year, some month, it will be solved. Surely it will be solved. You need not to worry that your problem is permanent. It is just like that is, problem is what, temporary. Problem is always temporary. It's just like when the sun is coming. Okay, so sun, in the morning you will say sun, and then sunset will be there again. There will be sunrise and sunset will be there. Similarly, the problem will come and problem will go. It's very simple. It's very simple. If you talk about the rain, it's continuous rain. Yeah, rain. If the it's not the rain is coming year by year, day by day. Okay, it's one coming for the confined time. When the rain is coming, you try to use some instrument, like you use the umbrella. Okay, so you can save your body. Okay, by wetting it. Similarly, what you can do, when the problem is coming, when the anger is coming, when the conflict is coming, you you have the shelter of your knowledge, that I do not have to respond. Okay, I don't know, I need to delay the reply, I need to do meditation, I need to take deep breath, I need to go out. Okay, I need to laugh. No, I need to keep my mouth shut. This are all the technique we can use to, to overcome from the anger. So this is all about this. I hope this video will be helpful to overcome from the anger management. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, friends.